Welcome again to our series on what care is right for you. Dr. Alan McCord at Kent East Chiropractic. And today I'm so excited we get to talk about sports and chiropractic care. And a lot of people are involved in sports. We have a lot of people that actually do exercise throughout the week and for their health. And I don't know if you're aware, but 90% of professional, Olympic, collegiate, high school athletes see a chiropractor variously throughout their career. And so definitely it's a very, very powerful thing. And we'll talk about some of the points here and the values to those of you who are involved in athletics and sports. And actually, here's what's really incredible. There's been some double-blind, placebo-controlled reverse studies that they put, like this one particular one, they actually had 50 athletes. They divided into two groups and did a 12-week study where half of them got chiropractic care, the other half didn't. And those that had chiropractic care, this is really incredible, powerful information for those of you who are involved in athletics, is actually the ones that had chiropractic care over that 3-month period of time, their overall sports performance went up 16% just in reaction time alone. And that's one of the benefits of being under chiropractic care is you'll have better reaction time. Another one is improvement in your coordination ability, improvement in your strength. And in this study, just for the reaction time alone, they had a 30% increase in their abilities to react. And so that's a pretty powerful statement to say, hey, this being under regular type of chiropractic care could actually enhance your performance on and off or off the field, on the field, in the court, wherever you're doing your sports. And the kinds of sports that are typical that people see chiropractic care that are doing and performing are people like runners, people wrestling, swimmers, baseball, lacrosse, of course, football. And football reminds me of one of the best players in football in the history of the NFL is Tom Brady. And I think that's a pretty household name. Tom Brady used to be the quarterback for the Patriots, the New England Patriots, for many years, and now has moved on to Tampa Bay. But anyway, he played in nine. Started as a quarterback in 9 Super Bowls. 6 of those were wins. He had 4 Super Bowl MVPs, and he had 3 other NFL MVP awards that he won. And actually, this is what he said about his chiropractic experience. He said, as long as I see a chiropractor, I feel like I'm one step ahead of the game. And that's Tom Brady. So he endorses chiropractic care tremendously. Another quote I want to give you, Jerry Rice. Some of you remember Jerry Rice, who was very popular in the late 80s and 90s. He actually is referred to as one of the greatest football players of all time. And Jerry Rice credits good health safety practices for success and longevity of his career. And he stated that the game of life requires the edge that chiropractic care provides. So he himself attributes a lot of his longevity in the sport, and there's probably no more harder impacting sport to play in athletics than playing football. And he credits his longevity to the fact that he was under chiropractic care. And staying with professional athletes, Johnny Damon, who was he was the New York Yankees center fielder for many years and a Major League All-Star. Johnny Damon says, without chiropractic care, I wouldn't be able to play consistently throughout the season. And so here's just some examples of professional athletes and their comments about how chiropractic care has enhanced their ability to perform their sport, their activity, and what it does to keep them in the game, playing along, and again, enhancing their ability to increase their reaction time or speed up their reaction time, increase their coordination, and enhance their strength ability. So no doubt that you probably know people yourself that are athletes that are seeing chiropractic, having chiropractic care and seeing us. There's a lot of team sports. In fact, I think every major team, athletic team, actually has a chiropractor on staff because it's that important. And a lot of chiropractors, a lot of my colleagues actually see a lot of athletes in their practices, and we do here as well. So hope this gives you a little background on what you can actually utilize chiropractic care in your athletic ability and your sport that you're playing and increase your longevity. So the reason, and part of the reason that this impacts your ability is so much is because we treat the nerve system, and the nerve system plays an integral part in your ability to perform your sport so well. So again, thanks for tuning in. Glad you could join us on this episode. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're not on our website, click on our website and check out some of our other videos that we have. And by the way, get yourself under care. We'd love to have you come in, at least get checked. Refer the people that you love and care about that want to live healthier into your 80s, 90s, and 100s as well. So thanks again for joining us, Dr. McCord at Kent East Chiropractic.